Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Now today's video is going to be super interesting because I have something very unique to show you all. I bet you've never seen anything like this before. So the thing is, I was actually checking out online websites to see what's new in the market, and then I suddenly came upon this product which felt very different and interesting, and I just had to make a video on this product. It's a pair of gloves. But no, they're not just any other ordinary one, they're a level 5 anti-cut military grade self-protection gloves. The fabric material used on these gloves is infused with a special stainless steel material that no matter what kind of tool or knife you use, you just can't cut these gloves. They were designed to offer maximum safety for your hands. That sounds awesome, right? Can't wait to unbox and show it to y'all. And by hearing all that, you might have a question regarding the price. Well, these gloves are super affordable and cost only around 400 rupees. So let me just open the box and show you these magic gloves. So here they are guys, this is how they look like. These are those special anti-cut gloves I was talking about. They come in this sort of simple packaging and looks like everything is written in Chinese. I don't understand even a single word, it just says FG 2019 and below that we've got some pictures that tell about the product. As you can see, it says that no matter how sharp knife you use, you just can't cut these gloves. Your hands are fully safe when you wear them. Well, we'll have to see about that in this video. So you might have a question like, for whom exactly are these made for? These gloves are made for engineers who work with different type of tools like while designing, or for factory workers who handle dangerous and sharp tools and people like that. It offers great level of protection and prevents them from getting injured while working. So here are the gloves, this is how they look like. Well, from my first impressions, they look pretty normal, just like any other ordinary gloves. But don't be fooled by the looks. Talking about the material used here, these gloves are made up of polyethylene fiber infused with stainless steel wire. And the product has been rated some military standard grades. Like this thing is grade 5 anti-cut level, has abrasion resistance level of 3 and is also wear and tear resistant. And not only that, this thing is also anti-static, anti-microwave and acid as well as alkali resistant. That is insane, right? So let me just wear them and tell you how it feels like. Okay, that's nice. Feels like a regular glove, but have to say it's quite thick and also a bit big in size for me. Okay, now is the time to put these gloves to a test. I'll use my unboxing knife and try to cut these gloves and let's see what happens. It's a pretty sharp knife guys, and you already know that I've tore so many packages with it. Let's try them on the glove. What the hell? Are you guys looking at it? My unboxing knife is unable to cut this glove? Seriously? As you can see, I'm trying my best to try and tear this glove, but no, I don't even see a single scratch on the glove. What the heck? Looks like this thing is not going to work. I need to increase the torture level. Let me bring my ultimate survival knife. So this is my Bear Grylls Man vs Wild Edition survival knife. It's a super sharp knife that can cut through anything like a slice of butter. I actually made a special unboxing video on this knife. If you haven't watched the video, you can check it out in the card above. Okay, so let's see what this knife does to the glove. Wait a second. What? I don't believe this. Even my sharpest survival knife is unable to cut this glove. I only see some impressions from the pressure I put on it, but apart from that there are no actual cuts or tear on it. I couldn't even cut a single strand of fiber on this glove. What kind of sorcery is this? That's why they're called the magic gloves. They're made up of 44% special polyester material, 46% stainless steel wire, and the remaining is made up of polyester and elastic fiber. Okay, now let's put them to some real world testing. Let me actually wear the gloves and see if it can protect my hand. Now kids, don't ever try such stunts at your home, it's not at all recommended. I'm just doing this for a demonstration of the product. I'm actually very nervous right now because the knife I'm using is a super sharp knife and I don't want to injure myself. Okay, let's do this. Glove, I hope you protect me. Here we go. Whoa, guys, nothing's happening. I'm actually being a bit careful here because it's my own hand that I'm testing on, right? And oh my god, nothing's happening to my hand. The knife just slips when I try to cut it and doesn't actually do any damage. That is very amazing. It can be really useful for a lot of people and can save your life at times. Like if you're a design engineer who works with a variety of sharp tools, or a factory worker who handles dangerous machinery, or even for a carpenter. Anybody can use it, especially while doing these sort of dangerous tasks, because they're just only around like 400 rupees, right? You can just buy them and use while doing these sort of works at your home. Also, there are anti-cut gloves that are also food grade level and can be used even in the kitchen. You can just give a pair of gloves to your mom and keep your mom's hands safe while cooking. I've personally tested with the sharpest survival knife I have, and the gloves have definitely passed the test. And as I've told you earlier, they're not just anti-cut, they're wear and tear proof, anti-static, anti-microwave, alkali as well as acid resistant. They offer you a wide variety of protection. Well, that's it. This is what I wanted to show you all today. They are an amazing pair of magic gloves and cost you only around like 400 rupees. They're available on Banggood. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.